Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new heading in your text documents in the Goodnotes application. So let us dive into this. Launch the Goodnotes app, for example, on your laptop or desktop computer, navigate to the given text document or notebook. In case of text documents, guys, like in this case here, you will have the opportunity to click into a paragraph line and enter the command heading by entering slash, and then you will see heading below under basic elements, or you enter the first letters of headings, which would be HE, and select one of these headings, like heading 1, and then you will see the formatting aligned to headings. So if you enter any text here, you will see that the font size will be aligned with headings. Heading 1 in this case here. That's how it works. If you skip to the next line by pressing enter, it will automatically switch to paragraph with a smaller or lower font size. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.